Now start today practical 18, morbidity and mortality of statistics. First, morbidity. Example first. In a village with a population 5,000, 20 new cases of cholera occurred in January 1975 and 42 cases in 1976. In the month of June, July, and August, calculate monthly morbidity rate in 1975 and 1976. And calculation monthly morbidity rate in 1975 formula new cases of in a month upon population into 1000. The monthly morbidity rate is 4 and 4 cases per thousand per month. Then next formula monthly morbidity rate in 1976 new cases of in a month upon in a month into population into 1000. The monthly morbidity rate 1976 is 2.8. Then 2 point cases per thousand per month. Example 2. There were 45 motor accidents in Pune town with a population of 7 lakh in the year 2000. Calculate the incidence rate of accident. Then using formula incidence rate is equal to total number of new spells of illness during a defined period upon population exposed to risk in the same period into 1000. Then incidence rate is 0.064 per year. Example third. Tuberculosis survey was done in a town with 15,000 population. It was found 27 cases were radiological positive, while 6 were sputum positive. Calculate the point prevalence rate of sputum positive cases at the time of survey. In solution, point prevalence rate is equal to total number of new and old cases found at a particular point time upon population exposed to risk in the same point of time into 1000. Then point prevalence rate is 0.4. Example 4. If 12 cases of diabetes were found in 20,000 population in a particular area, calculate the prevalence rate. Then prevalence rate is total number of new and old cases found during a specific period upon population exposed to risk at the same period into 1000. Then prevalence rate is 0.6. Then mortality. Example first. In 1991, the median population of India was 855.7 million and the total death were 83.8516 million. Calculate crude death rate for this year. Then calculation for crude death rate. Crude death rate formula. Crude death rate is equal to number of deaths which occurred among the population of a given geographic area during a given year upon median total population of the given geographic area during the same year into 1000. The crude death rate is 9.8. Example 2. In a town with a population of 50,000, there were 2,000 births and 200 infant deaths in the year 1966. Of these, 80 infants died in the first 28 days of life and 40 of them died in the first week of life. There were 110 stillbirths in the same year. Calculate the infant mortality rate, perinatal infant mortality rate, neonatal mortality rate, and post-neonatal mortality rate. Solution. Infant mortality rate is equal to number of deaths under 1 year of age upon number of live births into 1000. Then infant mortality is 100. Then perinatal mortality is equal to late fetal death after 28 weeks or more plus death under 1 week upon total birth live plus still into 1000. The perinatal mortality is 71.09. Then neonatal mortality rate, number of deaths up to 28 days of life upon number of live births into 1000. The neonatal mortality is 40. Then post-neonatal mortality rate is equal to death after 28 days of life up to 1 year upon live birth into 1000. The post-neonatal mortality is 60. Example third. In a cholera epidemic causes of ascestic cholera, Vibrio cholera, 64 cases died out of 160 attacked, while in typhoid before 60 died out of 200. Find the cases of fatality rate of both and compare. Cholera cases fatality rate is equal to number of deaths due to a particular disease upon number of cases of the same disease into 100. Then cholera case of fatality rate is 40%. Then typhoid case fatality rate is equal to number of deaths due to a particular disease upon number of cases of the same disease into 100. The typhoid case fatality rate is 30%. Example 4. Out of 100 women, question 50 were married 5 years ago and 50 married 10 years ago. They gave history of 630 pregnancies. Calculate the pregnancy rate. Solution. Month of exposure is equal to 50 into 5 into 12 plus 50 into 10 into 12 is equal to 9,000. The pregnancy rate is formula. Pregnancy rate is equal to total pregnancy in particular number of married women upon total month of exposure in the same woman population into 100. The pregnancy rate is equal to 630 upon 9,000 into 1,200 is equal to 84. 1,200 woman months of exposure, 84 upon 100 woman year of exposure. Thank you very much.